What's up, guys? Back with the awesome video. Today we're playing 1v1. So let's head in. Let's try 1v1. You press building simulator. Okay, that's good. We're just waiting for it to load. Okay, yo, that's cool. Midas. That's Midas. That's Tiantina. I think that's in Shadow version. Yeah, that's Shadow. Okay, let's just wait for it, guys. So guys, we're just waiting for it to load. Ow! Ow! Stop doing WWE moves on me. Guys, my little brother's crazy. He's crazy. And let's just write 1v1 again. Now it's gonna pop out. Oh, look at this Fortnite. Well, I don't want Epic Games. My god. Okay, let me just delete that. Okay. It has to load by now. Just guys, just wait. We're the best at Epic Games. Bro, it's not even loading, man. Okay. It's moving, guys. So, okay. What I'm playing is this 4v4, and it's super cool. And watch me, guys, play. Look how cool I play. So let's get ready. Why is it glitching? It's glitching, Omar. Oh no. Oh no. They're versing me, guys. Oh no. I'm dead. Oh my god, bro. It's glitching. You can't play. See, it's glitching. Is it glitching? No. Bro, it's not glitching. You're dead, man. You're a dead man walk. So guys, I'm gonna play 4v. Oh my god. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? My brother bothers me all the time. He's mean. He doesn't share. Okay, I'm playing good, guys. I promise. Because the first time it was glitching. Is it gonna glitch again? Please don't. Please don't. No. Oh my god, I think I'm ready. When is it gonna do? Okay. I can't build. How do you pause it? Okay, put it right there. Okay, now I'm good, guys. Okay, I'm gonna shoot the guy. Oh, he's dead already. Oh, frick. Okay, I'm starting. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Oh no. Bro, I see. Oh no. Aim. Oh no. Oh no. I'm going to my friend. Oh no. Oh no. I see him. Everyone come here. Kill him. Hey, what you doing? I'm playing a 4v4, guys. I'm gonna win now. There's no way I'm gonna lose. Okay, guys. I'm just trying to build. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'm building my hole. He's dead. Yep. Going up here. I see him, man. Oh no. Going on top. Yes, let's go, man. We won. Hit it like you don't care. Hit it, you know you lit. Yeah, you know you lit. Yeah, you know you lit. Rough time, it's time to shine. Shark gonna take care, bustin' on bacon when he shine. Shark gonna take. White shirt, got red, black, blood, you know, red. Sorry, guys. He's doing WWE. He's very strong. Oh no. Oh my god, that was a good one, guys.
Stop.
That was another good one.
Stop.
It's been 9 minutes. Man, you trash. What are you doing, man?
I'm better than you, kid.
You wish, man.
You wish?
Yeah.
Maybe you wish.
Ah, Frank, what's this kid doing, me? Kill him. If you kill this dude, I'll give you 10,000.
Sure.
Yeah. Don't get your shotgun. You're definitely gonna lose with. Oh my god, he's building 90s, man. You're trash, man. What you trying to do, man? You're trash. Man. Toxic. Taxes. Oh my god, you're reversing all of them. Wow, you're dead. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. Imagine you killed all of them one by one and you're like, shut up. Ow. Guys, my little brother is crazy and he does WWE moves on me. Stop it. Stop. Oh no, I see him. Oh no, he's here. Oh no, where's my friends? Come on, come here.
He's in the back.
I know. Thank God. Okay. Where are all my friends? Do I see him? Yep, I see him. Is that my friend? No, I see him. What? No, where is he? Is he building 90s on top of us? Can't find him. Yo, we won! I won again, man. See, I'm the older brother, man. My little brother is losing, man. Trash, kid. You're trash. Oh my god, guys. Ow. Stop it. No. No. Oh no, oh no. Oh no, guys. Ow. Ow. Tap out. Tap out. Ow. I'm playing Ben. Get out of here. No. Just that. Just that. Oh my god, you're a loser, man.
No,
Watch
no,
your back. Man, what you trying to do, man? What you doing, man? You trash. You're trash, kid. Go. Let me go on Battle Royale. I bet I'm gonna win.
I bet you'll be the first person who's there.
Nah, bro. I'm gonna build 90s, man. It's 13 minutes. We need 2 more minutes left, man. These rainy shine. Shock my tech, yeah. Bustin' on back down. Rainy shine. I shock my tech, yeah. Oh no, I see the black one. Okay. Come on. I got him. Oh my god. What does that do doing me? What is that dude doing me? What is that shit doing me? Oh my god! Oh my god!
I told you you become this trash.
I
bet you-
I told you guys, my big brother's trash. See, he did not even kill a person.
Yes, I did right now.
No? Okay, he's dead. I mean, you're dead. Don't go there. Do you even know 1v1? I showed you this game. Mom, beat him, man. Just trying to do me. Just trying to do me. Just trying to do me. Trying to do me. Come on, beat him up, Omar. Beat him up. Beat him up. If you get this kill, I'll give you 10,000.
Oh, I killed him.
What? There's no way you're gonna kill him now. Okay, your friend died. Come on, you got this. You got this. You got this.
Let's go!
Oh my god! What the hell? These rainy shine. Shock my take that bust on back and rainy shine. Still